I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Jeremiah the Vegan Entrepreneur here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Facebook Lives. I love technology, don't you? I'm being really silly, but at the same time, I'm being really real. In 2017, it's easier than it has ever been to start your own business, especially because of the internet. Look at all of the resources. Think about it. You're learning how to make money on Facebook Lives by watching this video. Cost you nothing. Cost you nothing. I'm gonna go straight to the point. You can make money using Facebook Lives. I see people do this all the time. And I've done this before. I've made money. Me and my partner have made money using Facebook Lives. Let me show you what we did, and then I'm going to tell you what you can do, and you can go from there. We're promoting a Business 101 class. That's the name of the class. It's called Business 101. It shows people how to establish business credit. Okay? It's a very inexpensive class. It's only $50. What we did was we did a Facebook Live on how to establish business credit without using your Social Security. So you can have bad credit and you're able to do this class for your business to where you can have capital for your business without asking for a loan or anything like that. It's just certain steps that you have to make to get to that point, right? So we start talking to people about that class through Facebook Lives. We did 2 live videos, and we was able to sell 20 courses. Mind you, they were pre-ordered, so the class wasn't even out yet, but people were interested in this class. We did a Facebook Live, that's why. Now, I'm not going to go into detail in this video on how you can make your Facebook Live effective, but I will let you know that if you're a good speaker, you should be doing good at this Facebook Live stuff. Talk about your product. Talk about your product or service in your Facebook Live. Make sure you're not too spammy with it, and be consistent. What you want to do is you want to be a resource to your customer. Build a rapport. I love Facebook Lives because it allows you to build trust with your potential customer. They get a feel for you. They get an understanding of who you are and what you're trying to do. One tip, a small tip that you can do to make your Facebook Lives effective and to convert with sales is to be transparent and be resourceful. So give them content, give them information for free so they can build trust and they can see, okay, this is legit. This is the person that is knowledgeable on what he's talking about. For example, this is just an example. Let's say you make custom made jewelry. Why don't you tell people how they can make their own handmade jewelry? Show people how they can make their own handmade jewelry, where they can get some inexpensive jewelry, where they can get some cheap jewelry, and be a resource to them. Help them. And then towards the end, you can say, if you guys don't want to do that, jewelry, I have these for sale. You can show them. You can have them in the background, however you want to do it, and forward them to your website. Costs you nothing. It costs you nothing. So what's to lose? And be consistent with your lives. you make it more personal, especially if it's a personal Facebook page. You're making it personal. You can read their comments, see what they're saying. That's a great way to make money for your business. You can do this from home. So what are you waiting for? Another thing that you can do is you can go into, I'm giving you guys some gems right now. I'm being really silly, but I'm actually being really serious. Okay? You can go into Facebook groups that's relative towards your niche. Okay? So say for example, you are let's stay on the jewelry. Let's stay on the jewelry thing. You can go into a Facebook group. Just start adding yourself in Facebook group and start giving people content. Start giving people content for free on how they can benefit from jewelry. What will help them. Find out what a lot of people are what a lot of people are looking for and help them find it. Be a resource for them. You're going to post your Facebook lives in those groups relative towards your niche. Let me give you another example. You want to sell dog products. Right? So what you can do is you can go into all the Facebook groups that you can find and you can talk about dogs. My favorite dog. The cutest dog. You can set it up so where you can do this thing called Be Live, where you can manage, where you could run a show. Like Be Live allows you to I'm gonna have it in the description too. Be Live allows you to manage your shows and broadcast your shows, okay? So you can actually have pictures up and you can play videos through your Facebook Lives. Use Be Live to your own discretion if you want to use that, because I always have a lot of glitches with it, but I'm just trying to give you guys as much content as I possibly can. Be Live, BELIVE.TV, I think. It'll be in the description. But anyways, you can talk about how cute the dogs are. You can talk about ways to groom your dogs, food and the best nutritional food for the dogs. You can talk about cheap clothes that you can buy for the dogs. You can talk about the best shampoo for the dogs. You can talk about so many things to help people. And you can say, hey, this shampoo is great for the dogs. It allows them to feel comfortable with getting showers, just an example. Makes them comfortable of getting baths, and it removes fleas. The shampoo is awesome. You can get this at Walmart. You can get this at PetSmart. You can get this at any local shampoo for dog place, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say? And then you could be like, okay, also, if you're interested in that, if you go to dogshampoo.com, you will see all of the products that I sell, if you want to do it that way as well. And then you can answer questions, you can interact with the people, you building trust with the potential customer, and you do it consistently in these Facebook groups. Don't always look to sell. Invite them to get to know you even more a lot of the times. Don't always be pressed on selling, okay? Because that's going to annoy people. So what you can do is just say, add me, okay? If you posting it, if this is your personal page and you want to make your personal page specifically about business, just continue to post in groups and continue to do make good content in these Facebook groups consistently. You got to be consistent. You can't look to sell. Just say, hey, I want to talk to you guys about how you could do this. A lot of people want to do this. A lot of people want to do that. And I want to help you guys. Let them know that you're helping them and be a resource to them. Don't just say you're helping them. Actually help them and ask them to add you. Like, hey, I do these videos all the time. I absolutely love talking about this stuff. Please add me as a friend. I'm trying to build an audience with like-minded people so I can continue to grow, because this is something that I'm truly passionate about doing. Be transparent and you'll have success. Be consistent. So that concludes this video on how to make money with Facebook Lives. Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.